I'm Sadie, I'm from Perth and I study physiotherapy.
I'm Leah, I'm an occupational therapist and at the moment studying healthcare research and healthcare management here at the Osnabrück University of Applied Sciences.
My name's Tom, I'm from Perth, Western Australia.
My name is Angelica, I'm from the US.
Elsa Swogen, I come from Cameroon and I'm a tutor for the ISU.
I'm Katrin Dörr, I'm Vice President for Study and Teaching and also the Academic Director of the International Summer University. The International Summer University is a 3-week program here in Osnabrück, and it combines academic courses and other activities also with field trips and social program too.
I'm taking part in the ISU to get some new impressions internationally.
It's good at expanding your horizons.
And I would like to expand my knowledge with the healthcare in Germany and be able to compare and maybe bring back some knowledge back to the US.
The thing that impressed me the most is the way the teachers are so close to the participants.
And we've done basketball and yoga, which is really good because I think we all kind of like doing exercise and things.
Did a bit of salsa dancing last night, which was really fun.
I think our trip to Berlin was really fun. We got to look at a lot of different history, but we also got to go out and do our own thing.
Going to the museums and things like that in Berlin, it was really good to see obviously what had happened and how the country's progressing.
I'd recommend the ISU to anyone who likes being social, exploring new cultures.
It's certainly important to be open to meet new people, but everyone is super friendly, so I just recommend to try it out.
That it puts you out of your comfort zone. It forces you to talk to people. It forces you to do things that you probably wouldn't have done back home. I'd recommend it to pretty much anyone. It's been a fantastic experience.
We have the clinical placements, we have a lot of contact to companies, we have so much culture, we have so much trips, we have so much people that are really interesting, and I think if that is not enough to be willing to participate in the ISU, I don't know what is.